hot. What is going on, guys? Before this video starts, we recorded this video and a previous video that we posted way before all this. We were kind of MIA for a little bit of while. We had to suddenly drop everything and go to CT because unfortunately my oldest brother suddenly passed away. And yeah, August 13th, Sunday morning, my brother Pawel Panek passed away. And it's just been super hard. As much as we're trying to keep busy and do things and whatnot, it's still fresh. It just happened and it was super sudden, so it's been really hard. I mean, you guys seen some of the posts. That's some of the things we've done recorded, but we're trying to keep recording, keep pushing forward, stay busy, stay motivated and occupied, because as soon as I'm not, I start thinking about everything. It's kind of why we've been kind of just MIA for like a month, not in tune as much. It's kind of hard for me to even speak on this because you guys are mute right now. I don't even know what to say. Thank you guys for supporting. Appreciate everyone for the love, you know, to me and my family, and for supporting us in these hard times. But yeah, all we can do is try to be there for each other, motivate, support, and keep moving forward. As hard as everything is, like, it's hard to even like enjoy things and without thought and what if this, what if that, you know. Just beating ourselves up. It hurts, man, because I got two oldest brothers, Paul and Adrian, and my oldest is my sister, and so it hurts, man. I've never experienced a sudden loss like a immediate family. It hurts. Reminders everywhere. We even have like a little, you know, just things of his, like he had this in his rooms. That's my grandpa's that, you know, gave it to me when he passed away when I was super young, and it's just like a blessing of his. So they're together now, protecting us. Guys, always a reminder, because we got her because of Paul. Never would have had the best dog in the world if it wasn't for him. Literally suddenly bringing her, surprising us at my brother's shop, Adrian's shop. Like, it was winter time, it was kind of cold, and just brought her randomly. She was like 2-3 weeks old, man, small as fuck, little peanut, bro. And yeah, we just snuck it into my house, hid her for like a day or two, and then she's family. She, our little girl. Best dog ever. Sorry, guys. Peace. Gotta do an oil change and some things in this car, but hey, don't worry about none of that. Freshest of grills.
The garden over there.
You know how to park first. My like whole core and ab is just so sore. We've been going to the gym, guys. Maybe I'm gonna try to record little phone clips, even if we go a little bit later. Me and her, we've been going to the gym late night after work and just kind of trying to get back into the flow. It's your boy's back. I got 2 bulging discs, just like causing all sorts of issues. We are just trying to eat better, do better, get back into the gym, and can live, man. Cut out the tobacco, cut out the nicotine because the wraps, and then, you know, flowers. So no more healthy. We've been a lot more motivated and feeling better anyway.
Hell yeah, I see what people mean. Can I do the pussy round?
Good options. We got our nice foods. I'll show y'all in the car. But damn, it's like looking good right now. Hold on, you wanna record this so I can take a picture? Someone runs it over. As you guys could tell, Florida's being Florida, man. It is hot. So now we go stop at the pet store, get that right quick, go home, eat it up, get some energy. Yeah, we just gotta get to it. Keep ourselves occupied, keep doing things. People are, you know, as soon as we come out this direction, bro, people have been so stupid.
What the f are you doing?
Holy f.
As I'm talking about it, bro.
Like, what was it doing? Holy shit,
like,
bro.
people are literally so stupid over here. Honestly, I really want to get out of Pinellas County.
Dangerous.
We've been here for a little while now, and we still haven't really, like, we made it here to the dog store, and yeah, let's just do that right quick. Got that shit on deck, you know? Help support healthy skin and glossy. More progress. We are on our way to go longboarding somewhere and then find some cool scenery, whether it's like some open grass field or industrial or something. Just get some new photos, some new reels in, get back in our flow, get back to our roots so we could continuously put out videos like we used to. Literally, we used to put out videos like 2-3 of them a week. We were going crazy, going stupid. That's why we have over 400 videos on this channel. We're just gonna keep recording vlogs, lifestyle, doing, you know, a bunch of shit that we do. And hopefully you guys enjoy it, because we do. So we're just gonna keep posting what we enjoy, because that's kind of why we started all this, is just doing what we like doing and just showing you guys, and hopefully you learn something from it, get entertainment. So good days.
We got a subscriber build coming soon.
Yes, and I'll show you guys subscriber build setup later, and yeah, just stay tuned. All right, y'all, nice spot for longboarding. It's like a mile around or 2 miles, something like that. But damn, looking fresh. Ooh, look at that. Hey, sheesh. That thing do look kind of good right there, you know, just a little bit. I wish the paint job was a little bit better though. That's about it. But hey, if we learn with this front end restoration with the white TSX, who knows, I do the body work and repaint them once we get another car that week of daily. You know, anything's possible. Anything you put your mind to. Anything. Just beautiful scenery, man. It's a beautiful day today. We got a lot accomplished, which I'm, you know, pretty proud of. We're changing up a lot, so it's feeling good. Just gotta stay busy. Buddy. Hey. Cute. Find a nice little spot. Just some trees, nature, greenness, you know, it's gonna be good. Contrast good off of the black. Doing a lot of reels and stuff. That's why I'm sweating so bad. I'm, you know, doing them stances, them weird ass stances. If you guys do want to see all these reels, photos and whatnot, please follow both my social medias, Rish Media and Respectfully. Respectfully is the one I use mostly for like TSX content and whatnot. Rish Media is all like a bunch of other stuff like events and other cars and things like that. So all social media links are always down below. So if you guys are curious, go click them directly to it. Day in the life.
Life in the days.
So we got a Panda Express, and then we seen a big ass ice cream cone over there.
And I think it's only
I
right.
guess, you know, we gotta treat ourselves since we didn't go to the beach to cool off. Gotta cool ourselves off another way. Put this foods away, and then go get some ice cream. Who said Choco Taco ice creams are discontinued? They got them here, bro. Damn decisions. Damn.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off.